Gotta keep an eye. How's everybody doing? Totally almost Amish here. Another day, the last day of moving. So let's get some proper... yes. There we go. Proper light. That's what made me want to do a video, actually. Spent the whole day moving the last of the stuff. You know the day. You know how it goes. The last day of moving, when you walk out to the car with like a spatula and a mason jar of nails, and you're like, this isn't even one trip. Why didn't I put this in a bag? Only 15 more trips of weird jars and jelly jars and paper towels to go. Anyways, so due to high winds, we've got stuff moving around here, which is cool. And we haven't been able to do much outdoor stuff, you know, like fires. What, because of the 20-mile-an-hour winds? I guess. Bunch of nervous Nellies over here. So, yeah, what are you going to do? I'll tell you what you're going to do. You're going to walk out and relax in your property. Look at this. This is where I guess there were goat pens here or something. Hey, this is new. See what you get to experience? That's new. That wasn't here last night when I did this. I try to go out here every day because it's so relaxing to me. I've been so starved in a apartment for the last few years that now that I have my own property, this is my sacred spot. I don't have to, dwell on it too much because you're gonna know, because this is where a lot of my videos are being shot. But, because I'll take you to my favorite. But as you can see here, look at this. Lots of trees down. Some of these have been here for a while. Actually, most of these have been here for a while. I mean, look at this. Those have been here for a while. Some of the ones that are the longest residents, what do we call down trees? Some of the longest residents of my resort. Gotta go under. Watch out for that one tree with the poison oak on it. Oh, this is cool. Check this out. Jeez. Yeah, so how long has this been here? I would wager a long time. How about this stuff? This is some of the oldest. How cool is this? I love this. Don't even want to remove this. Obviously, squirrels are using this for ditching their walnuts. And as I turn around, you can see the other direction, and then back to the house there with the red. And then here's my property line, I believe. That flag goes off into the woods. But yeah, look at this. I mean, these have moss on the inside. And this looks like it's like petrified. But I'm no expert on petrified, so I won't assume. This is my favorite place on the property. For those who are just watching for the first time, we just bought 2 acres. So it's not too much. Where's my favorite sitting spot? It's all confusing when you get in, when it's woods. Oops, there's some Cocoa Puffs. Oh yeah, now I see where I'm at. We found the most gigantic spider in the washing machine today. It was like that big around. Illuminati! That big around as far as the tips of the legs. And it was just, it sounded like pop. It was like pop when I dispatched it. Step over all these trees, who have obviously been down here for a long time too. All this looks petrified-ish. Here's my favorite spot. Crunch, crunch, crunch. This is going to be my bushcraft zone right in here, where there's the most flat, open area. So I'm going to be doing a lot of camping videos out there. And then here's my spot. I sat here last night, and it was wet from the rain. And I sat there anyways, and relaxed, and enjoyed dusk. And then went in the house like a civilized person, and put my clothing in the dryer. So anyways, this is my favorite bench. That's the ticket. Because look at this. It's just a crisscross of a whole bunch of downed trees in that direction. And then behind me, trees. And over in that direction, trees. And look up above. Very pretty skyline of trees. So you see what we got going on here. And even though it's cold, not that cold, you big wuss. Tweet. Yeah, fun stuff, but a lot of work. And we haven't even really started. Gonna get the riding lawnmower this weekend for the front end, which I haven't spent much time on video showing you. But right now it's downtime. Spent all the day moving the last pieces, and I'm sore behind the legs, in the arms. Just ridiculous. Where's that poison oak? Oh, there it is. Let's look at the poison oak real quick. He famously says right before he gets poison oak, because it has to go somewhere, right? Look at this. I was watching Corporal's Corner. Oh my gosh, there's multiple trees of this. Does that mean I'm standing in a thicket of it? Perhaps. This right here, this fuzzy branch. That goes up the tree like a vine. Poison oak. Not pretty. I had poison ivy in Pittsburgh, and that was unpleasant for a month or so. Alrighty. Hope all of you are doing well. And here we go. Under 10 minutes. I guess that's good. I don't know. Keep watching. Almost Amish. Figuring it out one day at a time.